let's talk about cash flow. If you don't mind, is rental income as sure of a thing as we thought it was? I mean, with this COVID-19, you know, there's some things that you can always count on, like death and taxes.
Yeah. You know what? And up till 6 weeks ago, I would have said, you know what, cash flow is a sure thing. Rental income is a sure thing. Well, who knew the CARES Act, the governor are going to come and say, you potentially don't have to pay your mortgage payment or your rental payment.
Right.
That threw a wrench, right?
Yeah.
Think about commercial real estate.
Yes.
All these retail places don't even have a choice. They can't make these $8,000-$10,000 a month.
Gosh, no kidding.
Rental payments for a business that is forced to be closed.
Exactly.
And so, yeah, I think that's going to change things, but I think this is a blip. I think we're going to get back to business, and owners, landlords are going to have to be understanding.
Yes.
And it's not going to impact me from the standpoint, am I going to not invest in real estate? I still am.
Yeah.
It's going to get back, and but it's going to hurt a little bit for
Right.
everybody.
Absolutely. It'll always come back. That's the beautiful thing.
So it's not as a guarantee as much as I thought it was.
Yeah.
But I still think it's an extremely solid play.
Yeah, and you know what's a good lesson from all of this is that we just have to be prepared for the unknown, right? Like on that call yesterday, the guy made a great point. Nobody expected September 11th, right? No one expected the coronavirus. So over leveraging, like you said a second ago, to ramp up to the next level, because I know a lot of us are tempted to, and a lot of investors do it. They over leverage themselves to get to the next level, to go bigger. And then, if you're not prepared for the unexpected, September 11th or the coronavirus, then it can literally wipe you out. And instead of going up, you go down.
You know what? Everybody's had to do that, right? Like your first investment, you're like, this is all my eggs in one basket. Everybody has to do that at some point.
Yeah.
But once you start to make some money, you accumulate some wealth, like, you have to take precautions. I've got staff, right? They have families.
Yeah.
Like, I would feel like the biggest piece of crap if I can't afford to pay their mortgage. Or, I'm sorry, no, I'm not.
Wait, I want to work for you.
Yeah. If I can't afford to pay their paycheck, right? Like the last recession taught me you've got to have a lot of reserves.
Absolutely.
And here's the other thing. Like, I went to college. Some people don't believe in college, and that's great, right? But I think all college does is it teaches you how to learn. You've got to keep learning. You've got to keep investing in your education. And I've done that. And one of them told me, hey, 2 years ago, winter is coming. Well, guess what? Winter happened.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
In the form of this virus.
Right.
And if you weren't prepared, if you didn't have cash, or if you don't have cash, maybe you can still rectify it. But once it hits, the time for preparation is over.
Yeah.
You're either ready or you're not.
Exactly. Now you're just reacting instead of being planned.
That's right.